welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video I'm going to be unboxing my March 2018 Boxycharm. So I know a lot of people got this like over a week ago, but I literally just got it last night. This is posting on Friday. I got it on Thursday. I don't know what's going on this month. Last month I got it like really quick, really early in the month, but this month not so much. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this. I did already cut the tape open, and let's get this box opened up. It is very full. It's popping open already, and let's go ahead and pull the card out. But here is the box. So it looks like the theme this month is Baycation. There's the card. And on the back, it does have all of the products listed and all of their retail values. So let's go ahead and jump right in. There's a couple things in here that I'm very excited for, and I can't wait to see. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this first item out. This is from Butter London. It is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. So here's the box. It's pretty neat. It actually has like a double decker bus on the packaging there. So I think that's kind of neat. And that side says 200% thicker lashes, 314% increase in lash curl. And on the inside it says double drama on the inside of the lid there. Okay, that is a rather large tube. And again, it just says double decker lashes on the outside of the tube with Butter London. And that looks like a clumpy mascara. I don't know. We will give it a try at some point in the future. But there it is. Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the box. And the card says, get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and a 314% increase in lash curl. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. Sounds interesting. All right, let's go ahead and grab this next item, which I'm actually kind of happy with what I got here. So this is a Pretty Vulgar blush. It says on the back, it says Make Them Blush 18 Hush Blush. And here is, let's see if I can get this open, the color. I did see some people getting a very vibrant pink, and I was very concerned I was going to get that because that would not work for me personally. Okay, it is a little powdery. I did swatch my finger in that. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the back of my hand. And that is a pretty color. So I was a little bit worried that I would get the bright, vibrant pink one, which would not have worked for me. I'm almost 39 years old. I don't know that vibrant pink would work well for me. So I am happy that I got this one. And the packaging on this is absolutely gorgeous. I think that is absolutely beautiful. I mean, it is plastic, but it's still very, very pretty. And the card says, okay, so this is Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. Make Them Blush Powder Blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This silky smooth formula is long wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multidimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. Alrighty, then it does have the ingredients listed on here, and I'm assuming that's because it's not on the package. So I will give that a try. That's not bad. I almost actually bought one of those. So yeah. All right, the next item in here. Oh, whew, I thought I was missing something. Okay, because I only saw this and one other item, but there's another item tucked in there. Okay, so this is from South Main. This is 3 eye gel packs. There is the package. Okay, and the back. So that is kind of nice. You get more than just the one. So yeah, it does come with 3 here, which is kind of nice. The card says our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. I'm gonna have to try those. I'm always complaining about my under eyes being dry. Okay, the item that I thought I was missing, which I was going to be totally heartbroken about, this is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. So here is the box. Okay. And it is taped shut. I'm going to go ahead and cut that open. Okay. All right. So here are the 3 brushes. They do have plastic around. I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off. So it says so this one it's not that fluffy. It looks more like a packing brush almost, but a larger packing brush. This says step 1 for the money. And then this one says step 2 for the shadow, and that's a little bit fluffier. That's more of like a crease brush. And then the other one says step 3, go girl go, and then that's just a smaller packing brush. The back of the card says use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. Number 2, pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush, which I guess is this one, and work into the creases of your eyelid and outer corners. So that's, like I said, that's a crease brush. And then the smudger brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and add color below your lash line. So they feel really soft. So they feel really nice. So that's a nice little kit to get. And the card says this brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids, pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush, and work into the creases of your eyelid and outer corners. And does this sound familiar? The smudger brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and define your lash line. So that's, you know, the same thing. So all right, so that is really nice. I do like that. I'm not going to put it back in the plastic and the box. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave those free. Okay, and then the last item in the box, which I'm very excited to get because the last time we got one of these, I actually still use and I still like. So it was in a little bubble package, and then it has a sleeve around it, which is just blank. And then it says Boxycharm and Pure. There is the packaging. I'm not sure how well that's showing up, but there it is. And it's taped shut. All right. Go ahead and get this off. And the last Pure palette that we got in our Boxycharm, the shadow palette at least, was the Soiree Diaries one, and I do use that one actually. I've traveled with it. I do enjoy that one a lot. So all right, let's open it up. And nothing's broken. Yay! Okay. I don't know. I was just, for some reason I had it in my head that they were going to be broken. So there are the colors. I do really like this. I think you can do, you know, a pop of color. You can do a neutral. Yeah. Yeah. They look nice. I am going to swatch one. And the one I'm going to swatch is called Boxy Black. And I'm just curious because it looks black, but then it's got multi-dimensional, different colored glitter. Okay, there it is. Anyhow. And boy, that does not come off. I'm going to get a little bit of micellar water real quick before that sets too hard on my hand. Okay, so recapping, we got the Pure eyeshadow palette, which I think is going to be a great companion to the other shadow palette that we got from Pure, the Soiree Diaries. So that's nice. I also got the 3-piece brush kit, which I always love getting brushes. So that's nice as well. The Pretty Vulgar blush, which is in the shade that I wanted, the mascara, and then the eye masks. So overall, this month, I think it's definitely worth the $21 to me. This is a $21 per month box. Everything came intact. And, you know, these are things that I will definitely use. So I'm very pleased with this box. I've seen a couple of other unboxings because, you know, I just can't not look. And, oh, I forgot to read the eyeshadow part on the card here. So this says, this transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome finish. There you go. Anyhow, I'm definitely pleased with this box. If I could change one thing about Boxycharm, it would be that I would get it earlier in the month, because I seem to get it mid-month most of the time. Every once in a while I will get it earlier in the month, and I would love to continue to get it earlier rather than later, because it just seems like it takes so long to get here. Anyhow, I do enjoy this box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. Did you get the Boxycharm this month? The Boxycharm this month. And did you like the products that you received? Did you get the other color blush? Am I just a little bit scared of nothing? It looked very vibrant, but maybe it's not as vibrant as it looks. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyhow, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!